We're going to clean the contacts on this Garrett metal detector. Contacts on this circuit board are not working. Switch is in two pieces. When you pull it up, you get two sides of the switches. We'll use some rubbing alcohol to clean the switches. Clean rag to clean everything. Reapply the top side of the contacts. Make sure the top portion of the contacts completely cover all of the contacts underneath. Move it back and forth until everything is covered. Push the adhesive back into place. The back side of the circuit board, this is the portion that hits the batteries. Contact these little wires here. We'll make sure there's no corrosion on these wires. Grab the pads really good and clean. Remove the silicone pads. Make sure there's no dirt where the buttons move. Push everything back into place. The circuit board will clip into place. Push it into these two notches down here and press it down and you'll hear it clip. We'll align the housing, put everything back in. Two screws that go in here and here, down with a Phillips screwdriver. So push the battery contacts together. Back where the plugs go in, we'll put the nuts on there, which will tighten it down further. The lock washer in place, washer on the other side. Bend the nut back, go down as far as we can, hand tight on both sides. Make sure everything is nice and snug. Make sure the batteries are seated in. The buttons here. Turns on. As I test the buttons, there is an improvement, but there may be something wrong with the actual circuit board. Sensitivity is a little random. Even though I was able to make some improvement with the buttons, there's something wrong with the circuit board. Probably this unit was submerged. Garrett does make some of these detectors that are waterproof, but this is not one of them.